Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting, DeepSeek R1, the easiest way to learn to code. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, this tool is a game changer. So let's get right into it. DeepSeek R1 is an AI-powered coding assistant designed to make learning to code simple, intuitive, and fun. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7, ready to help you with everything from writing your first line of code to debugging complex projects. Think of it as your coding sidekick, whether you're into Python, JavaScript, or even machine learning. DeepSeek R1 has got your back. Here's why DeepSeek R1 stands out. 1. Interactive learning. It doesn't just throw theory at you, you get hands-on practice with real-time feedback. 2. Personalized guidance. It adapts to your skill level so you are never overwhelmed. 3. Instant help. Stuck on an error, DeepSeek R1 explains it in plain English and helps you fix it fast. Getting started is super easy. Just head over to DeepSeek's website, sign up, and choose your coding language. From there, you can start with beginner tutorials or jump straight into building projects. And the best part, it's beginner friendly, so you don't need any prior experience to get started. Maybe you want to learn about React components, so instead of taking a course about what components are and how to create components in React, just simply ask it create a React component for sweeping mechanics, create a React component for food delivery service in React involves handling touch, and it will do it for you. And it will show you how it wrote, what it wrote, and what it really means. And then you will learn how to create something from scratch. You can even paste the code in the chat and ask it where did I go wrong, or what do you think about this code of mine? How can I make it better? And it will tell you everything. I've been using DeepSeek R1 for a few weeks now, and honestly, it's made coding so much more approachable. I've learned new tricks, fixed bugs faster. So if you're ready to start your coding journey or take your skills to the next level, give DeepSeek R1 a try. Trust me, it's the easiest way to learn to code. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.